What's up everybody, it's Sai and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to dive into something absolutely insane. Imagine building a content business that grows while you sleep. I'm talking subscribers rolling in, money hitting your account, all while you're catching Z's, where every issue is written by AI, scheduled by AI, and promoted by AI, with zero manual work once it's live. That's what I built. A fully automated, AI-powered newsletter system that brings in the big bucks. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to make it happen. In this video, I'm going to break it down step by step, showing you exactly how you can set up the same thing. Even if you have no audience, no design skills, and no tech experience, we're talking easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get into it. Alright guys, first things first. We gotta figure out what your newsletter is gonna be about. And trust me, this is way easier than you think. Start by asking ChatGPT to generate 10 profitable newsletter niches. Just type it in like, hey ChatGPT, hit me with 10 profitable newsletter niches. Now you're gonna get a bunch of ideas, but here's the key. Look for something evergreen, creator-focused, and with monetization potential from day one. We're talking about a niche that's not gonna fizzle out next week, something people are passionate about and willing to spend money on. For me, I went with AI tools for solopreneurs because it's timely, high demand, and solves a real pain. Think about it. Everyone's talking about AI, everyone wants to be an entrepreneur, and everyone wants tools that make their lives easier. Boom! Instant connection. But hey, this is your business, your hustle. Maybe you're into health and fitness, maybe it's finance, maybe it's underwater basket weaving. Whatever gets you hyped, find that niche and let's lock it in. Now that we've got our niche, it's time to craft a newsletter format that's so fire, people won't be able to resist clicking and reading. Remember, we're living in a world of short attention spans. People are scrolling through their inboxes faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. So how do we stand out? We gotta deliver that value upfront, fast, and make it crazy addictive. Ask ChatGPT for a newsletter format that delivers quick value in 60 seconds or less. My secret sauce? I use a simple but effective layout, tool of the week, real use case, AI prompt you can steal, productivity hack, and monetization tip. Each section is short, sweet, and straight to the point, giving readers actionable takeaways they can use right away. This makes the newsletter short, actionable, and highly shareable. People will be forwarding it to their friends, shouting it from the rooftops, maybe even getting it tattooed on their bodies. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the idea. Okay, now it's time to unleash the power of AI and automate this whole content creation process. We're gonna make this so easy you can practically do it in your sleep, which is the whole point, right? Open up Notion because that's going to be our content hub, and get ready to build a workflow with ChatGPT. It's super simple. Just input the tool you want to feature that week, and ChatGPT will generate the breakdown, prompt, use case, and tip. It's like having a personal content assistant working 24/7, except you don't have to pay them a salary or give them coffee breaks. Copy everything ChatGPT spits out into your Notion content calendar and boom, you've got yourself a content machine. And here's a pro tip: batch 4 issues at a time to get a whole month of content done in just 2 hours. That's right, a whole month of content prepped and ready to go, while you chill by the pool sipping on something tropical. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Alright, we've got our niche, our format, our content. It's time to launch this bad boy into the world. And the best part, you can do it all for free with Beehive. Beehive is a game changer for newsletter creators. It's super easy to use, has all the features you need, and won't cost you a dime to get started. Just head over to their website and sign up for a free account. Now let's make your newsletter look as good as the content inside. Use Canva to create a simple but eye-catching header, logo, and brand colors. Paste in the first edition you crafted with ChatGPT and Notion, format it so it looks super clean and professional, and schedule it to go out to your subscribers. And that's it. You've officially launched your very own AI-powered newsletter. Launching is just the first step. Now it's time to turn up the heat and get those subscribers rolling in. And how are we going to do that? With the power of short-form video. Here's the game plan. Turn each week's newsletter into 2 to 3 short videos. Think of it like snackable content that gives people a taste of what they'll get in the full newsletter. Use CapCut to create these videos. You don't even need to show your face. CapCut lets you use AI voices, B-roll footage, and captions so you can literally create these videos in minutes. Post your awesome creations on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And don't forget the most important part, end each video with a clear call to action to join your free weekly AI newsletter. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, making it rain. Monetizing your newsletter doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, we're going to automate it so you can earn passive income while you sleep. Remember that whole theme? Start by adding simple monetization methods to each issue. Affiliate links to products you love and recommend, a $9 mini product on Gumroad that offers even more value, and a Notion template upsell that helps people implement what they're learning. Promote these passively in each issue. Don't be pushy, just casually mention them as helpful resources. Beehive has a built-in referral tracking feature, so use that to your advantage. Offer free gifts or exclusive content upgrades for referrals. This is a great way to turn your subscribers into your biggest fans and make your newsletter go viral. Here's why this matters. This AI newsletter system is more than just a hack. It's an actual business asset. One that grows with every subscriber, every issue, and every short-form video. You're building a loyal audience, establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, and creating a sustainable income stream that works for you 24/7. And the best part? You can build this in any niche AI tools: health and fitness, finance, productivity, mindset, niche hobbies. The possibilities are limitless, and you don't need to be a writer, designer, or marketer. You just need to think like a builder, and let AI do the heavy lifting. So what are you waiting for? If you want the exact prompts, templates, and growth system I used, drop the newsletter stack below. I'm talking about the exact blueprint I used to build this thing from scratch. And if you're serious about building passive digital income using automation and AI, hit that subscribe button now because we're just getting started. This channel is all about helping you build, automate, and scale at machine speed.